Hey guys, the other day I was browsing through my Instagram, then I found this. I was looking for good fitting chinos. So then I ordered. Today's video is all about the unboxing of Henry and Smith. There is a funny thing about this also. First when I see this button, I thought this is I get my silver button before reaching 100k. I'm just at 33k and I'm like, what? But then I got to know I'm receiving the Henry and Smith Chinos. So now let's get down to business. Since spring, summer, everything has arrived early this time. So I decided to go for chinos instead of denims. And I think chinos is a great alternative for jeans, especially in summer and spring. So my first impression from Henry and Smith brand. First, their delivery is damn fast. As soon as I place the order, they just do shipment in the next day and it just took 3 days to reach my place. So I'm quite happy with that. It's very fast delivery and chinos are very affordable and the packaging is like premium quality packaging they did. I have never seen anything like this good in packaging. I have paid around 1699 for one chinos. I ordered 2 chinos, so it will be around, and I got 500 rupees off also. So right now offer is also going on. So I paid around 2900 rupees. So let's do this unboxing. So I'm just cut this. Be careful when you use a knife, it might cut the pants. And yeah, done. So, and you can even get 200 rupees cashback if you post a video on YouTube, but that is not the reason I'm doing this video. I like the thing where it says warning, this box contains awesome stuffs. First impression, I'm so happy with the color. So see, you're gonna get 500 rupees off. So next time I'm placing an order, I'm getting 500 rupees off again. So that's cool. So the colors I ordered is navy blue and olive green. This is specially for summer. It will look very cool in summer. As I have mentioned earlier, whenever you buy a clothes, always buy versatile colors. So navy is a good pick for chinos. It always look good. Or you can either buy cream, black, that's up to you. So let's open and see. Seriously, I'm not even joking. I don't know how to express this. I want YouTube something like so that you can feel what I'm feeling in my hands. So there's this logo tag, Henry and Smith 1985. I'll just wear the chinos and I'll show you. Boom! Done! So let me quickly show you. So guys, this is the chinos I got. I got my one. This quality is just amazing and it feels so you feel like you don't even wear anything. So that kind of feeling you get when you put on these chinos. That is the first impression I got. I really like this. Doesn't shrink up the wash. Quality is just super premium at a lower price. You feel so comfortable, especially in summer and spring. You will feel so good. I also got this olive green color, which is mostly going to be worn in the summer for me. And here it says stretch cotton. So this is what it looks like from the front side, and this is what it looks like from the sides. And from here you can see always back. Looks so good. As for the ankle, you can always roll up and give. That's my first impression, and if you want to know about more how many ways you can rock a chinos, just let me know. Give this video a like and comment down below so I can make video about it. Now I'm going to show you some screen recording, what all colors they have. So if you are interested, I'll leave the Henry and Smith link down in the description, and also I'll leave their Instagram down in the description, so you might give a try. My internet is not so good, I guess. So you can see all this black straights, then you have maroon green straights, this is what I ordered, then purple straights, then you have some yellow. They have all the beautiful colors, especially for the summer. This blue straights also will be nice. Then this straights was sandstone. This color is also damn good. So that's it. I'll just close it. And the price is pretty affordable also. You'll get some kind of offers also. So that's it for today. That's it basically for today. So if you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to know more on how many ways you can style up chinos. Just let me know and comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, please share with your friends and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the post notification bell. So I'll see you next time. Bye.